That was a cool performance, Bindas Torli Goa style. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you the smartest kid, baby Kirti from Bachpan School. She is going to answer all these questions effortlessly. She has been a part of the Wonder Kids program on Channel I, and she has this incredible memory of answering the capitals of every state in India, every country in the world, and every mathematical formula. Presenting to you the Wonder Kid, baby Kirti from Bachpan School. A big round of applause, please. What is the capital of Bihar?
Patna.
What is the capital of Gujarat?
Ahmedabad.
Ahmedabad. Okay. What is the capital of Kerala?
Thiruvananthapuram.
Fine. Indian capital she answered, right? Let me ask her some countries. I'm going to make it really tough for her. Capital of New Zealand.
Wellington.
I had a problem in saying it correctly. Okay. Pakistan.
Islamabad.
Okay. Panama.
Panama.
Capital of Panama.
Panama.
Panama City, correct. Capital of Mexico.
Mexico City.
Oh my God. Capital of Japan.
Tokyo.
Capital of Italy.
Huh?
Italy.
Rome.
Rome, okay. This is difficult, okay. Capital of Bahrain.
Panama.
Oh my God, she knows it. It's Manama. That's right. Answer this. Capital of Bermuda.
Hamilton.
She is definitely a wonder kid. I'm going to ask you the capitals of Indian Union territories. Okay? Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep.
Kavaratti.
Delhi.
Delhi.
Pondicherry.
Pondicherry City.
Andaman and Nicobar Islands.
Port Blair.
Daman and Diu. Daman and Diu. Daman and Diu.
Daman.
Very good. Dadar and Nagar Haveli.
Silvassa.
Excellent. I thought she will, if I ask her what is the 10th element, she'll tell me, but the teacher told me that she's going to say all the elements. So, Kirti, are you ready?
Yes.
So, tell me all the elements.
Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, copper, nickel, copper, zinc, gallium, germanium, arsenic, selenium, bromide, krypton, rubidium, strontium, yttrium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, silver, cadmium, indium, tin.
Can you guess how many chemical elements were there? 50 chemical elements. A big round of applause for Kirti, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much, Kirti. Who taught you all this?
Huh?
Who taught you all this?
Daddy.
Daddy the Great. What is your daddy's name?
Arvind Kumar.
Mr. Arvind Kumar, your daughter is definitely a child prodigy. She is 4 years old and she has narrated 50 chemical elements, and I am 29 and I can probably say one or two. So you can definitely know how intelligent she is going to be. Please Once, can I call a father on stage, please? All right. That's father of Kirti. Hello, sir. Good evening. It's a pleasure to have you amongst us. So, she's so brilliant. How did you get this idea that she'll be able to memorize so many things?
At the age of 1, and she would able to get all the rhymes.
Okay.
I thought she's having good grasping power.
Okay.
So slowly started state capitals. She got it. Then country capitals. Then elements.
How did you teach her chemical elements? Because at age 4, they don't know what even tin is, or they can't pronounce.
Yeah, but she can recognize everything. What I tell, she'll immediately respond to it. Okay.
This is something fantastic. I mean, first of all, a big congratulations to you, sir.
Thank you.
Because I think you have put in a lot of efforts to make sure that she comes up as a child prodigy. So, as a token of appreciation, this is something from the entire Bachpan school.
Thank you very much.
Big round of applause for the dynamic duo, the wonder kid and the wonderful father. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Kirti.
Welcome.
So cute.